Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Notifications. Following that, choose App Settings, tap on Most Recent, and select the best option for you. I will go with All Apps. Now just click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always click on one of your apps over here and tap on this switcher next to all calendar notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!